Quantum physics, chest turned 100.
Elemental matter can behave like waves or like particles. This is called wave-particle duality.
Any wave can be described by a wave function. The Schrödinger equation gives us the wave function for a particle. Where the wave function is large is likely where the particle will be found. However, it has a complex number. If we multiply the complex number by its complex conjugate, we get a real number. Until a particle is measured, it behaves like it is everywhere it can be at once.
Sending waves through a double or single slit produces different results when measured on a screen. Sending photons one at a time through a double slit still produces a double slit pattern. They have an equal probability of going through either slit, so they behave like they've gone through both. Measuring something about a particle establishes its state. It stops being in a superposition.
This measures the polarization of light. It only lets polarized light through. 90 degrees to it, no light gets through. But if we add a third polarizer, at 45 degrees, some light gets through.
When we send particles through a magnetic field, they will always end up at the top or at the bottom.
This is called spin. Particles can also become entangled, where if you measure their spin along any plane, they will always be opposite.
What if there are hidden variables in the particles that tell them what to do?
If we measure the spins of two entangled particles randomly along 3 axes, there are 8 possible combinations of hidden variables that they can have. We predict that the highest number of times we will measure the 2 particles to have the same spin is 4 out of 9 times. We measure their spins to be the same half of the time.
When we add relativism to the wave equation, we predict antimatter.
For every particle, there's supposed to be another particle of opposite charge. The world can be modeled as if it's made out of 17 fields. This equation predicts the result of every science experiment we have ever done. If we try to combine these fields into one, we get string theory. Quantum physics is a model of what we observe. Collect some data, make a model.
Science is about disproving theories, not proving them.